Cute.
Mom.
Okay, you're back. You press the back.
Hey, don't touch me, bitch!
So we stick to the back, right? This girl knows no boundaries. What about his little tummy?
Yeah, she's eating too much, yeah.
I'm sorry, Tabby. I'm sorry. Are you recording?
No, right? All that. She's like, do not touch all that girth. Of
No,
mine.
she does seriously
That's
though.
my girth.
Look at the foot. Why is it so cute? Okay. It's so cute.
Ethan Weiss is so
You're gonna
cute.
pat the head first. Let's try again. Oh, you like the upper part. Nope, no, you don't. Why is it so cute?